Tucked away on the sun-soaked Pacific coast of Costa Rica, the Occidental Tamarindo has built itself a reputation as one of those laid-back, all-inclusive escapes that seems to speak directly to travelers who want warm sand, warm drinks, and warm hospitality without the fuss of a big city resort. Sitting along Avenida España Cal Playa Langosta in the Playa Langosta area of Tamarindo, this four-star property is part of the Barcelo Hotel Group, operating under the Occidental Hotels and Resorts banner. That pedigree tells you a lot before you even step through the front doors, because the brand is known across Latin America and the Caribbean for reliable, family-friendly stays that don't try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, they focus on doing the essentials well, which is exactly what most working folks want when they finally get a chunk of vacation time. This review takes a closer look at what guests can expect from a stay here, from the rooms and restaurants right down to the little touches that make a trip memorable. Whether someone is planning a honeymoon, a family holiday, or a well-earned solo escape, the Occidental Tamarindo has been quietly serving up the Costa Rican dream for years. Starting with the rooms, the Occidental Tamarindo offers the kind of accommodation choices that fit a wide range of travelers and budgets. Standard rooms typically come with the essentials that guests expect from a four-star tropical resort, including air conditioning that actually works against the humidity, comfortable bedding, private bathrooms, and enough storage for a week's worth of beach clothes and sun hats. Many rooms are spread across low-rise buildings nestled among tropical gardens, which means guests often wake up to the sound of birds and rustling palms rather than traffic. Views vary depending on the room category, with some units offering garden outlooks while others catch glimpses of the pool areas or the greenery that surrounds the property. For couples, the quieter room categories provide a peaceful retreat, while larger families or groups can find configurations that sleep more people without feeling cramped. Families traveling with children will appreciate that the resort accommodates multiple guests per room in many of its layouts, which cuts down on the cost of booking extra units. Accessible rooms are generally available at properties of this caliber, and staff are usually happy to help arrange ground floor accommodations or rooms closer to the main facilities for those who need them. In terms of technology, guests can expect the usual four-star amenities such as flat-screen televisions with cable channels, in-room safes for passports and valuables, and telephones for contacting the front desk. While the hotel may not lean heavily into smart room gadgetry, that is honestly part of the appeal for many visitors who come to Costa Rica to unplug rather than fiddle with apps. The overall room experience leans toward comfortable and functional, with tropical decor touches that remind guests they are firmly in Central America. When it comes to dining, the Occidental Tamarindo operates as an all-inclusive resort, which means meals and drinks are typically bundled into the room rate, making budgeting a breeze. The main buffet restaurant is the heart of the food operation, serving up breakfast, lunch, and dinner with rotating themes that mix international favorites with Costa Rican specialties. Guests can expect fresh tropical fruits in the morning, hearty proteins and salads at lunch, and dinner spreads that often feature carving stations, pasta options, and desserts made to satisfy every sweet tooth. The buffet setup is great for families and picky eaters because everyone can grab what they like without holding up the table. Local flavors like rice and beans dishes, plantains, and fresh seafood typically make appearances, giving visitors a taste of the country without having to leave the resort. Beyond the buffet, the property generally offers themed sit-down dining options that provide a more relaxed, restaurant-style experience. These specialty venues might focus on grilled meats, seafood, or international cuisines depending on the night, and reservations are often recommended to snag a table. The setting is casual but pleasant, with open-air touches that let guests enjoy the tropical evening breeze. Service across the dining venues tends to be warm and attentive, with staff members going out of their way to remember returning guests' preferences over a longer stay. The variety keeps things interesting for travelers staying 5 or 7 nights, so nobody gets bored eating the same thing over and over. The bar scene at the Occidental Tamarindo is exactly what a beach resort bar scene should be, which is to say relaxed, well-stocked, and generous with the pours. Poolside bars keep the tropical cocktails flowing throughout the day, so guests never have to walk far for a fresh drink. Lobby bars and lounge areas tend to open up in the evenings, offering a spot to enjoy a nightcap after dinner or catch up with new friends made around the pool. Local beers, rums, and freshly blended fruit drinks are usually the stars of the show, and non-drinkers are well taken care of with smoothies, sodas, and creative mocktails. It is the kind of place where a person can order a piña colada at 11 in the morning without judgment, and honestly, that is a big part of the vacation appeal. Moving to the pools and beaches, this is where a Tamarindo resort really has to deliver, and the Occidental Tamarindo lives up to the expectation. The property features multiple pool areas designed to suit different moods, with larger main pools ideal for socializing and swimming laps, plus smaller, quieter pools that work better for reading a book or floating peacefully. Sun loungers surround the pool areas in generous numbers, so finding a spot to soak up the rays generally isn't a stressful ordeal. Palm trees and shaded areas offer refuge for guests who need a break from the strong Costa Rican sun, which can be intense even on cloudy days. Towel service is standard, and the pool bars are conveniently placed so drinks and snacks are never more than a short stroll away. Playa Langosta itself is one of the quieter, more scenic stretches of beach in the Tamarindo area, known for its rocky outcrops, tide pools, and beautiful sunsets. Guests can walk to the sand within minutes and enjoy the wide-open Pacific views without the heavy crowds you sometimes find at other beach destinations. Surfers of all levels are drawn to this stretch of coast, and the waves make for some genuinely impressive scenery even for those who prefer to stay dry. Water activities like paddleboarding, kayaking, and boogie boarding are commonly available in the area, either through the resort or nearby local operators. The tide pools around Playa Langosta also make for great exploration during low tide, and the sunsets, well, they are the kind of golden hour spectacle that fills up phone galleries fast. For guests who like to stay active on vacation, the Occidental Tamarindo offers a solid range of activities to fill the days. On-site recreation typically includes options like beach volleyball, pool games, water aerobics, and organized group activities that the entertainment team runs throughout the day. Fitness enthusiasts can usually find a gym or fitness area on the property to keep up with their routines, complete with cardio machines and basic strength equipment. The beachfront location opens the door to a whole world of water sports, from snorkeling to surfing lessons for those who have always wanted to try catching a wave. Tamarindo is famous in the surfing community, and beginners can find plenty of instructors happy to teach the basics on the friendlier waves. Cultural and educational activities are part of the broader Costa Rican experience, and guests staying at the Occidental Tamarindo can easily branch out into what the region has to offer. Guided nature tour, wildlife watching excursions, and visits to nearby national parks are all popular add-ons, either arranged through the hotel's tour desk or booked with local operators in town. Ziplining, horseback riding on the beach, and canopy tour through the tropical forest are the kinds of adventures that turn a good vacation into a memorable one. Evening entertainment at the resort often includes live music, dance performances, and themed nights that showcase Costa Rican culture. It gives guests a taste of the local flavor without having to leave the property, which is especially helpful for families with tired kids at the end of a long beach day. Wellness travelers will find that the Occidental Tamarindo caters nicely to those looking to relax body and mind. Spa services are typically available on-site or through partner operators, offering the usual menu of massages, facials, body treatments, and beauty services. A traditional Swedish massage or a deep tissue session after a day of surfing or hiking is exactly the kind of self-care that turns a vacation into a genuine reset. Couples treatments are often a popular choice for honeymooners and anniversary travelers, and the tropical setting naturally amplifies the relaxation factor. The soft sounds of the ocean and the gentle rustle of palm trees make for an ambience that no city spa can really replicate. Beyond spa treatments, wellness at a Costa Rican resort often extends into the natural rhythms of the place itself. Morning yoga sessions, either on the beach or in shaded outdoor spaces, are a common offering at resorts in the region, and guests interested in mindful movement can usually find something on the daily schedule. Costa Rica has a strong wellness tourism culture, and the concept of pura vida, the pure life, permeates the entire experience. Even guests who never step foot in the spa often report feeling recharged just from the slower pace, the healthy food options, and the abundance of fresh air. Detox and cleansing programs may be arranged through local wellness centers if a guest wants to go deeper into the wellness rabbit hole. For most visitors, though, the natural setting is medicine enough. Because the Occidental Tamarindo is not adults only, families with children are very much welcomed and catered to throughout the property. The Kids Club is a key part of the resort experience, offering supervised activities that give parents a chance to enjoy some grown-up time while the little ones have fun with new friends. Activities in these programs typically include arts and crafts, games, pool time, treasure hunts, and mini-shows that keep children engaged for hours. Age-appropriate programming means younger kids and older ones can each find something suited to their interests. Trained staff supervise the activities, giving parents peace of mind that their children are safe and having a good time. Family-friendly touches extend beyond the Kids Club into the broader resort experience. Pool areas usually have shallower sections suitable for younger swimmers, and the buffet dining format means picky eaters can graze on chicken nuggets and fries while parents enjoy a fresh ceviche or a plate of grilled fish. Evening entertainment often includes family-friendly shows, and the overall atmosphere is welcoming rather than stuffy. Multi-generational travel works well here, with grandparents, parents, and kids all finding their own rhythms without stepping on each other's toes. For parents who have been dreaming of an actual vacation rather than a chaperone assignment, this kind of setup is a real gift. The location of the Occidental Tamarindo puts guests within easy reach of some of Guanacaste's best attractions. The town of Tamarindo itself is a short trip away, offering shops, local restaurants, art galleries, and a lively main strip where guests can pick up souvenirs or grab an ice cream. Playa Tamarindo, one of the most famous beaches in Costa Rica, is nearby and offers a livelier scene with more surf schools, beach bars, and street vendors. Las Balas National Marine Park is another nearby draw, known for its leatherback turtle nesting sites during the right season, offering a genuinely unforgettable wildlife experience. Nature lovers can also venture out to Rincón de la Vieja National Park or the Palo Verde wetlands for a full day of adventure. For those looking for cultural experiences, the surrounding Guanacaste region is rich with tradition, from cattle ranch tours that showcase the local cowboy culture to visits to small villages where artisans keep old crafts alive. Day trips to Arenal Volcano and the Monteverde Cloud Forest are possible with some planning, giving guests a chance to see two very different Costa Rican ecosystems in one trip. Shopping options are generally casual, with beachy boutiques, souvenir stalls, and small local markets rather than glossy malls. Foodies can explore Tamarindo's independent restaurant scene, which offers everything from fresh sushi to wood-fired pizza to traditional Costa Rican fare. The area strikes a nice balance between tourist convenience and authentic local flavor. Taking an honest look at the Occidental Tamarindo overall, it earns its 4-star rating through consistency and a strong sense of place. Third-party review scores hover in the respectable range, with Expedia showing an average score around 7.6, suggesting most guests leave satisfied even if the property is not chasing luxury status. Strengths include the all-inclusive value, the friendly staff, the beautiful natural setting, and the well-maintained grounds that make lounging around the property genuinely pleasant. The food gets generally positive marks for variety and quality, especially considering the all-inclusive format where budgets can sometimes squeeze quality. Location is another clear win, with easy access to both quieter Playa Langosta and the livelier Tamarindo town. On the flip side, no resort is perfect, and honest reviewers point out that the Occidental Tamarindo shows its age in some areas, with rooms and facilities that could benefit from updates in certain corners. Some guests have noted that while service is generally warm, service speed at busy times like peak lunch hours at the buffet can lag a bit. The Wi-Fi in tropical beach resorts is famously spotty, and this property is not immune to that reality, so digital nomads may want to plan accordingly. Overall, though, the resort delivers solid value for the price and a genuinely enjoyable Costa Rican experience. What really sets the Occidental Tamarindo apart from the crowd is its combination of location, atmosphere, and value. The Playa Langosta setting gives guests the best of both worlds, a quiet stretch of scenic beach with easy access to a lively surf town whenever they want more action. The all-inclusive format takes the mental load out of vacation planning, letting guests focus on enjoying themselves rather than tallying up receipts. The Barcelo Hotel Group and Occidental Hotels and Resorts backing means guests get the reliability of a well-established brand while still enjoying the local Costa Rican character. For groups traveling for business or special occasions, the Occidental Tamarindo can accommodate small events, weddings, and celebrations with meeting spaces and event coordination available through the property. Destination weddings on the beach are a particularly popular option, taking advantage of those legendary Pacific sunsets and the tropical scenery. Coordinators can help arrange everything from the ceremony setup to the reception dinner, taking a lot of stress out of planning a wedding from far away. Corporate retreats and small conferences are also possible, with the resort setting offering a fresh alternative to a traditional office meeting. The guest experience highlights at the Occidental Tamarindo often come down to those small moments that stick in memory long after the vacation ends. It might be the bartender who remembered a favorite drink from the first day, or the housekeeper who left a little folded towel animal on the bed for the kids. It might be that first sunset walk along Playa Langosta when the sky lights up in colors that no phone camera can quite capture. Guests often mention the warmth of the staff, the sense that people genuinely enjoy their jobs and want visitors to have a good time. It is a hospitality culture that leans into the Pura Vida spirit, and it turns a nice hotel stay into a real vacation. For anyone looking to escape the everyday grind and land in a place that feels both easy and authentic, the Occidental Tamarindo makes a compelling case as a destination worth booking. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.